Hi, and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. Today I am here to show you what Beebeecraft sent me. They wanted me to show these to you and to do an unboxing, and then later on I will do a craft in another video. So this is from Beebeecraft, and their prices are very reasonable, I think. I will link these items that I got. I will link them on the bottom of my video in the description box so you can see exactly what they cost. This was, I believe this was around $37, something like that. And they have no shipping, so yeah. So the first item is this box, and everything was wrapped very nicely in bubble wrap and everything, and then it was in here wrapped in bubble wrap in another bag, so everything arrived in perfect condition. So this is the first item. This box I chose, and it's filled with the little book corners. And since I make journals and mini albums and things like that, I wanted the book corners, and I think they are absolutely beautiful. They are very good quality. The corners are so nice, and they have the little design on them, and you can actually open them from this side and that side, which my other ones do not. My ones from AliExpress, they do not come like that. And if you wanted to put these on a wooden box, you could actually put little nails in them. So yeah, this is really very good quality, and there's 100 in here. And then I just love the little box. Once I've used up these, I still have the little box. So that is that. Then I chose some dies, and I think I have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 die cuts here, and they cut like, I'm gonna say like margarine, because butter is, you keep it in the fridge and when you take it out it's hard, but margarine, it's like very soft. So this cuts really well. And look at this doily, how intricate it is. And it just, you run it through once and it just cuts beautifully. This is, I think, my favorite one. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna get a paper to show you what it looks like. This is not the very nicest paper, but anyway, that's what it looks like. And I just think it's beautiful. So I have 2 of those cut out. Then I have this this heart, and it cuts out super cute too. I really love that. And then there's all these little hearts in there that cut out too, that you can save for projects that you can use the little hearts for. I think that's a great way to use them. So that's that. And then there's a snowflake. Oh goodness, I'm gonna get a different piece of paper. Here we go. There we go, that works better. There's the snowflake, and very intricate also, and it just cuts out beautifully. So there's that one. And they come clean too. Like, I just use my little brush here, this one, and just brush it, and they just come clean. And yeah, I don't have to sit there and poke, you know, for hours. And then I have this heart, and look at how detailed that heart is and how beautifully it cuts out. I think it just does a super job. And yeah, you could make multiple of these and make flowers. But I'll show you in my video where I do crafts with them. They turned out very nice. Then there is like a star kind of snowflake. And it cut out gorgeous also. I thought it would cut out the inside more. But I think I need to use like an embossing mat for that. And it would come out clear, the embossing there. So yeah, I need to get out my mat and do that. But otherwise, it cut out gorgeous. I love these little intricate corners there. And then my last one is this one. And it cut out a little different than I thought it would. It cut out this way. It kind of reminds me of peacock feathers. These ones, they all cut out separately, and you could lay them in like in different colors like I have here. I also cut out a green one like this. And yeah, you could put the blue ones back in, or you could, you know, change it up and put a different color in there. But either way, it still is very beautiful. And I like this one even just like this. I think it looks beautiful. So that is my Beebeecraft haul, what they sent me. And if you want to place an order with them, I will put the link below. I think they do an absolute amazing job. And I know they have a sale going on right now. I've been looking at a couple of things that I want to order. So yeah, go check them out. And I'm going to see if I can get you something, I think a percentage off if you order through my code or whatever, but I will link that below if I can find something. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. Go check out Beebeecrafts. And God bless you all. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.